Hey everyone, today I'll show you what to do if there's no sound in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, make sure there's actually sound on the audio track. I've got sound here. If you don't, click the track and check the audio levels. You can increase or decrease the volume. If it's too low, you won't hear anything. If that doesn't work, check if your sound is muted in the volume mixer. If you have sound, let's open the file. Now we need to find the settings. Click on Edit Audio Properties. Select Audio Hardware and choose your output device. It could be headphones, speakers, or whatever you use. I'm using high division audio devices speakers. That's it. This was Waller. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.